The day has finally come. I've packed up my house and it was really difficult actually to get all this stuff into these bags, as you can see. We are right on weight, if not over, so fingers crossed I can get on. I freaking love Alaska Airlines. Like, they let me on with my bags. They're just so cool. So we are ready to go. On the plane finally, cannot wait to get to Seattle. All right. And little Billy has survived all the travel and he's ready to help us with the merch. This is us making our own merch. We've got like the transfers and then we heat press them on. Kendall's doing an amazing job there. And this is us cutting out the design. So it's really cool and really unique and individual. And we are so excited for you to see it. It was a lot of fun too.
Pretty firmly on there too.
Cool. All right, there it is.
Let's go.
Made by us. Legit, how cool is that, seriously? All with this? Guys, we're making our own merch for you guys.
Designing, but we are here.
Beautiful design. Great job, Kendall.
Thank you. So
Another version.
the sleeve's a little off, but that's okay.
Well, it's
Symmetry-wise.
because it's unique. And the back is...
The back is
Look at that. Our logo, guys. First chair tour.
pretty sick.
Cheers.
You. You think we wanna
Fucking dealers! Final one. Done. So our merch is done and we are so excited. Hopefully this doesn't put us too overweight, but we hope you like it.